A historic drive, the evolution of Pontiac through the decades. Brought to you by Untold Facts from Morale Edutech. Pontiac, which was formerly recognized as General Motors' Performance Division, made its debut in 1926 as a sister brand to Oakland. Pontiac swiftly surpassed Oakland in popularity and completely replaced its parent by 1933, securing its status as one of GM's leading divisions. It became well known for iconic models such as the GTO and Firebird, later expanding its lineup to include the Grand AM, Grand Prix, and Bonneville. Nevertheless, Pontiac was phased out in 2010, alongside other GM brands including Hummer, Saab, and Saturn. The vehicle was named in honor of the renowned Odawa chief, who also lent his name to the city of Pontiac, Michigan, where the car was manufactured. The range of body styles available included a sedan with options for both 2 and 4 doors, a Landau coupe, as well as the Sport Phaeton, Sport Landau sedan, Sport Cabriolet, and Sport Roadster. Due to the increasing sales of Pontiac in contrast to the declining sales of Oakland, Pontiac emerged as the sole surviving companion marque, while Oakland halted production in 1932. The Pontiacs were distinguished by a prominent chrome strip located at the top and center of the front hood, which Pontiac referred to as the Silver Streak. Pontiacs were produced from knockdown kits at GM's Osaka Assembly Factory in Osaka, Japan, from 1927 to 1941. Between 1940 and 1942, the Pontiac Torpedo stood as the sole model of the brand, constructed on 3 distinct body styles. In 1946, Pontiac, released after the war, was a 2-door Streamliner fastback sedan. The Chieftain series was introduced to take the place of the Torpedo. Pontiac established itself as the performance brand of GM, with models such as the GTO, Firebird, and Grand Prix achieving significant popularity. Once again, Pontiac emerged as the vehicle of choice for the middle class. It was positioned in the market between the most expensive Chevrolet and the least expensive Oldsmobile. This singular model line persisted until 1954, at which point the Star Chief was introduced. The models from 1953 were the inaugural ones to feature one-piece windshields, replacing the earlier 2-piece designs. In 1961, the Pontiac Tempest was a compact car that introduced an innovative 4-cylinder engine. It also included a rear-mounted transaxle and a flexible drive shaft that connected the 2 components. Thanks to Knudsen's dynamic leadership and DeLorean's daring engineering, Pontiac rose to become the 3rd best-selling brand in America. Launched the Firebird in 1967. Pontiac was among the 3 brands that GM ceased operations in 2010. The other 2 brands were Hummer and Saturn. Departed, yet always remembered. The final Pontiac ever manufactured left the assembly line roughly 7 years ago. While these vehicles are no longer being produced, they continue to be cherished by classic car enthusiasts worldwide. Thanks for joining us. Please share and subscribe to our channel.